Alright, short video today on a replacement lens. So if you ever need a replacement lens, maybe not the whole unit, but just the lens, and you're wondering what you're going to get, you go to Lucky 8 and here what are you getting. So this is for the passenger side rear. So what you're actually getting is, it's usually made in Taiwan, knockoff. Looks pretty similar. Does not have the little Land Rover logo up there, obviously, but it's pretty good. So the reason we're replacing ours, you can see I probably got it at a salvage yard at one time, is one of these clips is broken, probably from user error, probably taking off the bumper going off-roading and probably did not do it right, but it just snaps in, has this side to hang it on. So if you see, you undo this, replace it, and Bob's your uncle. Here's the ordering information from the Lucky 8 website. This is the driver's side. I actually replaced the passenger side in the video, but it's just easier to make a screenshot. So as you can see, these are pretty inexpensive. So release the tabs. I'm just going to keep it in the same orientation. Have this little rubber. Washing the car today, so it got a little wet. I'm just going to replace them. YouTube style. Holding an iPhone and doing it. And then putting it back together. All good. So again, it's just held in by these two little knobs, and then right here. Pretty simple.